Hey everyone, today we are checking out brand new construction townhouses right here in the popular Ballantyne area of South Charlotte. If you're not familiar with Ballantyne, it's one of the most desirable areas in the entire Charlotte region. Located right next to the South Carolina border, it's known for its upscale shops, walkable restaurants, beautiful parks, and some of the top-rated public schools in the state. Now here's the exciting part. With Ballantyne running out of buildable land, Mattamy Homes was able to find this 5-acre lot, and they're building just 28 townhouses total. That's it. So this is a limited opportunity in a very hot, high-demand location. Each townhouse features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and roughly 2,600 square feet depending on the unit. The units are all modern, open concept living space, and pricing is currently in the upper 600s depending on the unit. And every unit is zoned for Ballantyne's top-rated schools, including the Ardrey High School, which is consistently ranked as one of the best in the state. So whether you're relocating to the area, moving up from your current home, or just want the convenience of a low-maintenance new construction in a hot area, this community can check all of those boxes. And as always, if you have any questions about this neighborhood, new construction in the Charlotte area, or just moving to the Carolinas in general, feel free to call, text, or check out my website in the link in the description. I'd love to help you guys out. Have a great day.